Welcome to our informative video on how to determine the right price for your property. Whether you're a seasoned real estate investor or a first-time seller, setting the correct price is crucial when selling your property. In this video, we will guide you through the necessary steps to ensure you make an informed decision and attract potential buyers. Let's get started. Researching market trends. The first step in determining the right price for your property is researching current market trends. Analyzing similar properties in your area that have recently been sold will give you an idea of the market value. Look for properties with similar characteristics, such as size, location, and amenities. This will help you gauge the appropriate price range for your property. Consulting real estate professionals. Don't underestimate the value of consulting real estate professionals. Local agents have in-depth knowledge of the market and can provide valuable insights on current property values and pricing strategies. They can also assess your property's unique features and provide suggestions for setting the right price to attract potential buyers. Evaluating property features. The next step is to evaluate the features and condition of your property. Take a critical look at both the interior and exterior aspects. Consider factors like the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, overall square footage, upgraded appliances, and any recent renovations. These aspects contribute to the overall value of your property and should be taken into account when determining the price. Considering market demand. Market demand plays a significant role in setting the price of your property. If the demand is high and the number of available properties is low, you may have the opportunity to set a higher price. On the other hand, if there's a surplus of properties in the market, you may want to be more competitive and set a more attractive price to stand out from the competition. Pricing strategies. Now that you have gathered all the necessary information, it's time to develop your pricing strategy. You can consider pricing your property slightly above market value to leave room for negotiation, or you might prefer to set the price at market value to attract potential buyers quickly. Each strategy has its pros and cons, so it's essential to carefully analyze your specific situation. Setting the right price for your property is a critical factor in attracting potential buyers and ensuring a successful sale. By conducting thorough research, consulting professionals, evaluating property features, and analyzing market demand, you can confidently determine the ideal price for your property. Remember, a well-priced property will not only captivate buyers but also maximize your profits. Good luck with your property sale.